beauty in print and in picture. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Photogenic is candidate number... Bisag ako nakauyon dyan ko. It's really pretty impression with or without the makeup. Congratulations, candidate number 1, Miss Photogenic. Alright, labisang paga awarding our Miss Photogenic at kagawan yan year kadungo. Congratulations. Wow, magwapo ni kagawan ka kagawan. Was chosen on the way they have presented their ideas during our interview portion and nagkaroon tayo ng picture presentation.
And she will be assisted by our very own Honorable Barangay Captain, Honorable Eddie Cadili.
Alright, Barangay Captain Eddie Cadili, Cap. Okay, may I request Barangay Captain Eddie Cadili with Miss Sampaga to award our Miss Intelligence. Okay. Alright, do we have now the sash and the trophy for our Miss Intelligence or Miss Intelligence? Okay, nandito na si Kapitan together with Miss Sampaga to give the award for our Miss Intelligence or our best in interview. Alright? We have Kagawad Miss Sampaga, I mean. Alright, si Ma'am Shane Surungon, ang atong communications in charge sa itong Mutyanan Zone 1, ang naghatag sa ato, ang handling sa itong mga presenters together ng Barangay Captain Eddie Cadili. Ladies and gentlemen, gathering an average score of 90.8. Our best in interviewer, Miss Intelligence, is candidate number... I have to look at this very close. Careful, di po kasing malibat pa. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Intelligence, Mutyanan Zone 1 2009 is candidate number... Tama ka diya, Brad. Candidate number 5! Congratulations, candidate number 5. Alright, pwede mo bang pakita yung number mo kasi hindi makita? Ayan. Congratulations, candidate number 5. Awarding her is Barangay Captain Eddie Cadili and Miss Sampaga. She's the best talker in the group. But later on, once we have the top 5, all our candidates will be back to 0. Kagawad, suplado na kami ka sa personal joke na. Hoy, nag-champion na daw manok ni Kagawad kagahapon. At ano kay Kuno? Ako pa kasi kay Gradal. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our best and creative attire is candidate number... An average score of 86.6%. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in creative attire is candidate number... Ako yung karoon. Congratulations! Our best in creative attire is candidate number... Palipay din ang atong friend, Ani. Candidate number 5! Okay. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations, contestant number 5. Best in creative attire. Siya yung sumusunod, nagsuot ng modern. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in talent. Siya ang nakakuha pinakataas ng score sa ating tulong na judges last night. Ladies and gentlemen, Mutyanan Zone 1 2. Congratulations, contestant number 5. Alright. Awarding our best in communications candidate number 5. Best in casual wear. Siya na rin yung nanalo ang best in gown. Alright. There will be one common question for the 5 finalists. This is the isolation question. The final round of our question and answer. This is the make it or break it round. And to ensure the confident final question. Good luck. The global environment is changing dramatically each day. As a response to these changes, what would you like to change in yourself that will make you a better pro-environment person. I repeat, the global environment is changing dramatically each day. As a response to these changes, what would you like to change in yourself that would make you a better pro-environment person?
Thank you for that very wonderful question. But before anything else, I would like to greet each and every one of you a pleasant evening. And I want to thank the judges for choosing me as one of the finalists for the top 5. Now my answer to that question is, yes, it is true that our environment is slowly changing each day. It is getting hotter due to global warming. I can be a pro-environment person by changing my lifestyle that I can start within myself at home. Simple things like using a glass of water when brushing is a good start. Unplug electrical appliances, especially when not in use, to lessen energy consumption. I will not burn my garbages, and I will recycle things that might be quite useful someday. But most importantly, I will help in planting trees and flowers, because it will not only cool and trap ultraviolet rays from the sun, but it will also help our community be beautiful, clean, green, and healthy. And I will never, ever stop praying to God that other people would do the same, so that this place would be a better place to live in, and there will still be wonders that will be passed on to our next generation. Never stop aiming high, and always believe that we can do better every time. And if all fails, we never have to worry, because an ordinary person like us has an extraordinary God to back us up. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 5. She really did her homework.
Ang barangay official sa barangay Zone 1 wala gayo sa atong kalihukan nga kalingawan.
Is candidate number first runner-up is candidate number 7, number 5, Lieutenant General 2009. Awarding our first runner-up is Mr. Lane Sangas. Okay, mag-backward na yung ating mutya. Mag-give for the first runner-up. Okay, congratulations to our first runner-up. Awarding here is Mr. Lane Sangas, a former Mutyanang Zone 1. Mutyanang Digos at Dinig. Okay, our first runner-up first. Okay, congratulations and thank you so much to Ma'am Selga. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I call on Barangay Captain Eddie Cadilig, Honorable Rodrigo de Goysoron, and our reigning Mutyanang Zone 1. May I request candidate number 5. May I call on Barangay Captain Eddie Cadilig, Kagawa de Goysoron. Ladies and gentlemen, to be crowned by Honorable Rodrigo de Goysoron and Barangay Captain Eddie Cadilig with our reigning Mutyanang Zone 1. It is with great pride and honor that I am going to present to you our new Mutyanang Zone 1 for 2009, Miss Hazel Grace Maglasang. Congratulations, candidate number 5.